Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma ulah pynpaw ke jingsngewkhia halor ke jingbun palat ki Samla kiba Phiel ke Eksam Matrik man Snem. Haba kren mat kilar pathai Khubor kaba pyni bat ki jingtip balalum Myntri Rangbah ula ong. Ba man Snem duna ki pynpaw hajar haduh pynpaw Hajar Ngut ki Samla ba iakhun ke Eksam Matrik. Hynrei ong pat bahak result kiba pas bat kiba Phiel Shillong jan mar shiteng. Nalor kata ula iathuh ba man Snem ki don rubun tylli ki skul kiba don iwei ruba pas hakate ke exam.
Well, this is a sad picture. This is what's been happening in the last many years from 2015 to 2024. This is the average pass percentage. We've been trying our best. It's a systematic problem that we faced. We try to bring to the depth of why this is happening, and we realize that everything from the issues of the quality at the primary level, secondary level, all those and upper primary level, all those issues were there, and many other issues were there, which we are working on. The course materials that is there, making it better, the examination patterns. So after examining all of these things, we have come to a point. We're hoping that in the coming exams and the future exams also, at least we'll be able to see some improvement in these numbers. But this is what is very critical to note. And what my concern here, of course, is that if you look at this, about 50%, that means close to about, as I said here, if you can see, almost about 25,000 students, they don't pass the metric exam. And you can imagine not passing a metric exam, what kind of emotional as well as a career kind of damage that goes to them. So we're very concerned about this, and we'd like to see these numbers go up. So I just wanted to share this with you to express the challenges we face. It's been hovering around this for the last decade. Next. Again, this is another figure. 2022, 118 schools, we had 0 pass percentage. 2023, 146 schools, we had 0 pass percentage. 2024, 124 schools had 0 pass percentage. That means not a single student from class 10 passed. And out of these schools, 36 schools are there. For the last 3 years, they've not had anybody who passed, in spite of whatever support we've been giving to them. So these are facts and figures. Again, this is nothing to, nothing to discuss about, but I think this gives a slight picture, of what kind of a situation that is there and how much money is being spent in which sector, and how we are now trying to, with this kind of a background, we are trying to take very, very tough decisions, difficult choices that we have to make in order to move forward in how to improve the overall education sector. So this is just information. I will share this with you. I think this is the last slide.